I'm inside the car, and it's mean I'm on my way to my next client, the next project. This time it will be the girl bedroom with a huge pink Sakura tree, and it's not gonna be something difficult, but still that mural will have some elements what I would like to show you how to paint. Hope it's gonna be useful for you. So we did confirm the last details on the sketch, and we decided to, I don't know, does it focus? And we decided to flip it over so the tree is gonna be not from that side, opposite. It's gonna be here. Waiting. Pom pom pom. Over here. Also, we gotta push the tree a little bit up above the table. Now I'm gonna start to do the next step, covering everything and do the tracing lines. Now I'm going to do some samples over here to choose which gonna be the main color and which is gonna be just the middle tones. So yesterday I finished the first part. We covered everything and found a good position for proportion for the tree. Today I'm start working with the background. We're going to use house paint and make that liquidy effects. Because you see, here's everywhere different color and tones of the pink. After that, I become to the third part, doing the full background, and just after that, small details and all that stuff. So let's go. So here is my palette with pink, light pink, medium and white. Now next I'm gonna mix it, do some samples, and using, except the brush, I'm going to use that foam glow to make that really interesting smooth effect of watercolor.
motion. Just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what I feel. Aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here. Go ahead, call me crazy. I always see the good in everyone. Blue-eyed and naive, wow. Way up here, I can see the sun. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I
So background finished, and let's start painting the tree.
aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here.
I finished with that mural. It took me about like 11 hours. I just played it for 2 days. Also in the wet mural I tried to do some new effects and new elements. Hope you guys like it. If it is, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.